Hey guys, David here and welcome to Digital Outlook. In today's video, XRP about to soar again. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, right now we're hearing some big time news and this XRP ecosystem that is driving demand big time. And we're seeing some technical indicators suggesting XRP is ready to soar again. Guys, just check this article out right over here. Breakout alert, XRP ready to soar again. XRP, the native token of Ripple, is poised to continue its upward momentum at its hourly chart flashes a bullish signal. This bullishness in the chart appears after 3 days of price consolidation. What we have just recently seen, guys, that is not a crash. That is consolidation. And for the new people that are in this space, listen, when you watch these videos and you see all that stuff in the comments, oh, XRP is going to crash, oh, this or that, guys, what we call that is FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And I'll tell you something, you can't base your decisions on what you read in those comments. And I'll tell you why. Because, guys, we have been in this space for up to 5 years. And do you think we have not heard every kind of FUD there is? Of course we have. And, guys, what just happened recently? Oh, all these people were saying, oh, it's crashing, it's crashing. That was not a crash. That was consolidation back to support. And now, guys, it's retracing. It is bouncing back up there now. According to expert technical analysts, XRP has broken out of a descending triangle price action pattern on the hourly time frame and is now poised to soar again. The recent price correction appears to be beneficial for XRP's upcoming rally, and here it is right here, and you're literally watching it. And guys, we have punched through this now. Based on the recent price action, if XRP continues its upward momentum and closes a daily candle above $2.48, there is a strong possibility it could soar by 17 cents to reach the $2.90 level or even higher if the trend remains unchanged. And guys, we are talking in short time frame windows. Do you think that that's all the steam in this engine? Guys, not on your life. I think we're going to see some major bang out numbers for XRP during this market cycle. Now, currently, the altcoin is trading above the 200 exponential moving average on both hourly and daily time frames, indicating an uptrend. Meanwhile, XRP's relative strength index is near the oversold area, suggesting potential upward momentum in the coming days. In addition to the bullish technical analysis, whales and institutions have shown strong interest in the altcoin, and boy, have they ever. It is insane. As reported on-chain analytics firm CoinGlass, XRP spot inflow-outflow metrics data reveals that exchanges have witnessed a significant outflow, and get this, of the outflow that they got. $386.04 million worth of XRP over the past 4 trading days. Now, that is a massive amount. In the cryptocurrency context, outflow refers to the transfer of assets from exchanges to wallet addresses. These metrics suggest that whales and institutions are accumulating tokens for the long term. This is not short-term activity, guys. They are not swing trading. This is not a play. They are setting themselves up to see some significant gains. Now, furthermore, outflows indicate potential buying opportunities, reducing the likelihood of selling pressure and signal possible upward momentum. With bullish on-chain metrics and positive technical analysts, it appears the bulls are currently dominating the asset and could support XRP in its upcoming rally. Now, guys, listen to this here. At press time, when they wrote this article, XRP was trading near $2.35 and experienced a price drop of 0.35% in the past 24 hours. So it gained back a lot of the ground that it had lost. During the same period, its trading volume had declined by 46%, indicating reduced participation from traders and investors compared to the previous days. Well, guys, just check this out. Now, this is on the monthly. And guys, there's this old saying, when in doubt, zoom out. And you know what the price is right now, guys? It's $2.43.18. It is not sitting there at that 235, and it is definitely on the uptrend. Now, what I want to show you here is, see this candle way over here, guys? Well, this one right here, that is back from 2018. Look at where we are. And this is, by the way, on the monthly time frame. This was November right here. Well, interestingly enough, look at where November topped out, right over there at the very top of the last market cycle in 2021 at that $1.95, $1.97. And guys, we've just started December, and look at that. Do you think that this represents weakness in this space? No, guys, it doesn't. This represents strength. And in fact, if you look at it on the daily right here, and we're just going to switch over. See all this here? That is the consolidation. Look at this reversal right here. Bang. And guys, we could see this move really up in a big, big way. Now, something else that you want to see is this. Listen to this right here. 22,018,660 XRP stun the world's largest exchange. Of course, we're talking Binance. Listen to this right down here. Despite market volatility hitting XRP, bullish sentiment continues to dominate the asset. According to Whale Alert, a crypto data tracker on X, a large transaction of over 22 million XRP, equivalent to, get this, $50 million. $50,355,000 in fact dollars was initiated on change. While the whale moved the asset from Binance, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, to a private wallet address. That is big. What a purchase are you talking about? $50 million moved there, guys, and it went out of Binance and goes to a private wallet. This is significant as it shows the whale might have the intention to secure XRP for long-term storage. They bought it and they moved it. If this is the case, it indicates strong confidence in XRP's future outlook. Boy, I wonder just who that was. Do you think that's retail? Come on, guys. That is a massive institution. Wouldn't it be amazing to find out that was JP Morgan or, maybe Goldman Sachs, BlackRock, someone like that? Guys, I'm telling you, it's somebody with some deep pockets, that's for sure, that are throwing 50 million at it right there now. Let's take a look down here. Additionally, transfers to private wallets are generally considered bullish because the tokens are unlikely to be sold immediately. XRP whales buying such large volumes might drive up buying sentiment in the broader market. And what else might it do, guys? It might create a supply shock. Eating up that much XRP on the retail market is that massive. This helps reduce selling pressure on the asset. When selling pressure is low, investors might decide to buy more, and such development can bring about a price gain for XRP. As earlier reported by you today, following XRP's climb above the $2 mark, there has been growing interest in the token. A NASDAQ-listed company, of course, WorkSpot, has indicated interest in getting crypto exposure through XRP, of course, and Bitcoin, putting it right on their balance sheet. Now, WorkSpot CEO Stephen Rossi referred to XRP as an increasingly reliable store of value. Bang! Guys, when have you heard that coming out of institutional mouths before? And yet now we're getting it. It seems like there's a big switch. It's not Bitcoin and Ethereum anymore. It's XRP and Bitcoin. Bang. Now, such institutional adoption could help drive the value of XRP on the market, drive it up. As of the writing, XRP is being exchanged for $2.26. Now, that was at this writing. And guys, we have just seen there it's at $2.43 on the exchange right now. Now, guys, check this out. XRP exchange traded funds. Big firms bet on the future of crypto investments. And listen to this right here. The race to launch XRP-focused exchange-traded funds is certainly heating up, with top asset managers submitting applications to the US SEC. And guys, I think a lot of these are going to get absolutely approved when we get Paul Atkins in there and a total change of the helm. Now, these exchange-traded funds aim to offer institutional, of course, and retail investors direct exposure to XRP, the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap, through a regulated financial product. It does not make XRP a security, guys, because these ETFs, although they are securities, they're holding on to assets that can be commodities, and that is exactly it. XRP is not a security. And they're coming down here. Wisdom Tree is the most recent asset manager to file an S1 application with the SEC to launch an XRP ETF. Notably, the Wisdom Tree XRP fund shares will be listed on the CBOE BX. Now, guys, I know I think that's the Chicago but you know what? I don't know, so I'm just going to leave it at that. With BNY Mellon serving as the fund's administrator. Now, the ETF will track XRP's spot price using an independent reference rate source from major trading platforms. And guys, I'll tell you what, if you know what this is standing for right here, hey, put that in the comments. That helps us all right there. 21 Shares has also filed for its core XRP Trust, a spot-based ETF designed to provide indirect exposure to XRP. Coinbase Custody Trust Company is set to act as the custodian of the funds if approved. The ETFs will also exchange or will trade on that market right there. These filings mark significant milestones as Wisdom Tree and 21 Shares join Bitwise and, I guess, Canary Capital in the growing list of firms seeking SEC approval for XRP ETFs. Guys, look at the appetite that these big-time institutional players have for XRP. They're all wanting to get out there and create these exchange traded funds. You got 4 of these companies doing it. And why would they be doing that? Because they know the clients that they service. These institutions have a major appetite to buy it. Now think about this. It's going to be a supply and demand issue, isn't it? Like every market is. And when they're racing forward to get these ETFs through, and I think if one gets approved, they're all going to get approved. And guys, it's going to be a race to the trough. They're going to be gobbling it up like no tomorrow. And I genuinely believe we could see a supply shock, especially when you're watching $50 million being bought off chain and then dumped, guys, into private wallets. That is a major, major deal. Now, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has also emphasized the growing institutional interest in XRP. He pointed to the recent filings by 21 Shares, Canary Capital, Bitwise as evidence of demand for XRP-based financial products. Garlinghouse believes these ETFs could attract substantial capital inflows similar to Bitcoin's ETFs, which have already pulled in over $33 billion in 2024 alone. Garlinghouse also praised Grayscale's efforts to convert its digital large cap fund, which includes, by the way, XRP, into a spot-based ETF. He noted that basket ETFs could bring more investors into the crypto ecosystem while boosting XRP's market liquidity. I think, guys, it is going to be absolutely stunning. And here we are. We're right at the very beginning, the very prefaces of having a brand new regime taking over in this digital asset space, one that is crypto friendly and absolutely XRP friendly. And guys, I think it's going to be a major, major bullish move of what's coming next. Now, check this out right here. Don't forget, Ripple CEO names important date. And what do you think it is, guys? Here it is right here. A new 60 Minutes episode that will feature an interview with Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse is going to be aired on December 8th. Guys, a lot more eyes are going to be on this ecosystem that were on it before. So many people have been completely oblivious. And guys, I'm telling you, I genuinely believe that you are going to see a major, major amount of retail coming into this space that are going to become aware of what's going on in ways that we haven't yet seen. And in comparison to us, when we got in way back then when the risk was high, and these guys are going to be buying it up there at those prices, guys, it is going to be phenomenal. I genuinely believe that. Now, the interview, which was initially announced by Garlinghouse late November, is expected, get this, of course, to focus on the cryptocurrency industry's fight to gain regulatory clarity in the United States. And don't forget, guys, we just had XRP Unleashed and they renamed that documentary to Rigged. And I think Brad Garlinghouse is going to speak to a lot of has gone on in this ETH and Ethereum free pass and everything like that, and where we are. And guys, I think it's going to be absolutely stupendous when you're seeing whales buying up that kind of, gobbling up $50 million worth of 22 million XRP and then putting that on, their own hardware wallets, the ETFs going nuts and everything like that. It is no small wonder that these technical analysts are coming out and saying, hey, listen, XRP is ready to literally soar. And guys, I'm telling you what, I cannot wait to see it literally fly like that eagle. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video. And as always, it's not financial advice. It's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section. And I'll catch you in the next one.